Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we learn basic guitar lessons for beginners. Today's lesson is very simple and easy. We are looking at key C and its basic chord 145. Let's start. We will use 3 chords. For this song we are coming to play a song by Reverend Kusibeko. Edin benia munche me o. Edin benia munche me amaba. We are using 3 chords for this song. Our chord 1, 4, 5. Let's start with our chords. Our first chord is chord C. And this is how our chord C is played. First finger is positioned on the 2nd string, 1st fret. Then our 2nd finger is positioned on the 4th string, on our 2nd fret. Then our 3rd finger is positioned on the 5th string, on the 3rd fret. Then you strum from 5th string. This is our C. Our second chord, which is our chord 4, is F. F chord. And this is how our F chord is played. My first finger is positioned on the 1st and 2nd string, on the same fret, fret 1. Then my 2nd finger is positioned on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Then my 3rd finger is positioned on the 4th string, 3rd fret. Our 5th chord, which is G, is also simple. This is how it's also played. My 2nd finger is positioned on the 5th string, 2nd fret. Then my 3rd finger is positioned on the C string, 3rd fret. Then my 4th finger is positioned on 1st string, 3rd fret. Then you strum all from 6 to 1. This is our chord 5. I repeat, our first chord, which is C, our chord 4, F, and our chord 5, G. Chord 1, chord 4, chord 5. So we are using these 3 simple chords to play our song. For this song, we are starting with our chord 4. Then you move to our chord 1. Then you move to our chord 5. Then you go back to our chord 1. 4, 1, 5, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. And let me add this chord to you, C7. That's our chord decoration or our chord embellishment. It makes it sound more nicer than just the C. So we play our chord 4, chord 1, 5, 1, and our C7. So 4, 1, 5, 1, C7. Let's start. Edin benia munche me o. Edin benia munche me amaba. 1, 5. So throughout the song, these chords will work out from A to Z. You don't have to change to, you can change to other chords if you want, but as a beginner, you would like to stick to this chorus. Summer time is here for me singing. My eye, when you found you, mother to me, share to me, Nina, Yarisa, and so much is so raw, I bet you so no. Oh, be war, I bet you don't know. And Tim, so that is for the chorus, and we move to the other verse. Yes, yeah, Baba, Nina, C, F, C, F, C, G, C, Bonye, Bessia, Namia, Shimio, Asama, Mechanism. Masam ye mo baby. If you are my for you, and smart is a war, I bet you should know. Oh, be war, I bet you can know. And say, Monchamia, That is it for this lesson. Let's take our third verse, like Comfortable, Bagana Sasu here. Sa comfort, oh, baby, calling time for Bisa one shepherd. Baby, so calling time for Bob. Ain't you gone away? I can't dream, say, Sangam to me, as near to me now. Nasemi kasa mami watako to me. Nasemi kasa to me minara bofo. Nasemi kasa beye minadani. Enti okonfwe, okoma ebetodum, okoma ebetodum. Kushani motia, wani wo inge duwani. Osi motia isa eranu motia. Nene ya sana bo maba munchani. Sangami to me dia, esni to me nina. Nasami kasa mamu atako to me. Nasami kasa to me nina rabofo. Nasami kasa motia nina dani. Motia si konfwe hey, konfwe. Asam kasa na dia ben. Sabe ngeyeda. If it's over, Yakupo to the kama. Enti go for the one, I go for the one Fanisa. F C G C Fa do so do Fa do so do 4 1 5 1 4 1 5 1. Very simple lesson. So I'll urge you to keep practicing for this course is mainly to help you with your chord progression as a beginner, to move from one chord to another, for you to play many other songs. Thank you for subscribing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like my video and give a beautiful comment. Bye bye.